Hello everyone, I am M. Raju, Assistant Professor in English, Department of Humanities and Sciences. Welcome to WITS Connect. In the last class, we have discussed about asking questions. Asking questions. What are the questions? In English, there are two types of questions. The first one is yes or no questions, and the second one is double H question. Who, what, when, where, how, whom, which. You can, with the help of these words, we can frame in a questions with the proper manner, and also with the help of helping verbs. Am, is, are, do, did, does. These are the can, auxiliary modal verbs. Can, could. These are the words you can use while framing a question mark, while framing a questions. Today, coming to the number 9 chapter, words often confused. Words often confused. What do you mean by words often confused? We all know about words. Words framed by group of letters. Words is framed by group of letters. In that particular words, the spellings, and when we speak, when we pronounce, every word has their own meaning. Every word has their own meaning. Isn't it? Sometimes the words are the same. The words are the same in spelling, but the sounds different. Words are the same, but sounds different. Sometimes the words are we're looking very similar, but they are different in the spellings. Different in the spelling, but you can pronounce the same pronunciation, but different in the spellings. Different in the spelling. Here I am giving the about some important tips about words often confused. Words often confused. Here the first example, affect. A-F-F-E-C-T, affect. The meaning of affect: to influence. To influence, or to produce a change in someone or something. What do you mean by affect? To influence or to produce a change in someone. A change in someone or something. Here I am giving the example. Nicotine affects the lungs. Nicotine affects the lungs. If you use the nicotine, it affects to influence the lungs or to change your lungs and someone or something. Here the effects. Here the effect. Here affect and effect. Here what do you mean by effect? An impact. An impact or result. Or result. For example, if you use healthy eating have positive effects. Healthy eating have positive effects. With the help, for example, if you done an exercise in the morning, if you have a habit of doing exercise in the morning, and if you have a habit of doing, if you prefer only homemade food, your your body become very active. If you sleep for overtime, if you overslept if you woke up in 8 or 9 o'clock, but your body is not very active. If you prefer only homemade food, to avoid junk food, to avoid the outside food, the body become very healthy. Healthy eating have positive effects. Here is the first one for you. And next, access. Second one is access. What do you mean by access? Permission to enter. Permission to enter. For example, sometimes you can observe there are some restricted zone. There are some restricted zone. With the help of, if you want to meet someone, you have access to. You have to take the permission. You have to take the means you can say that you have to take the before you have to take the appointment. You have to take the appointment. You have to take the permission. This is the called access. Permission to enter. Permission to enter. Here example. We have no access to. We have no access to go to. We have no access to top floor. We have no access to go top floor. Means, for example, there is some 6 or 7 floors. You can understand. Only we are eligible. We are have access to can do only minimum spaces Sometimes there are some restricted zone, starting to go to top floors. And next, excess. Next, excess. Beyond necessity. What do you mean by excess? Beyond necessity. What do you mean by access? Permission to enter. Permission to enter. What do you mean by excess? Beyond necessity. Beyond necessity. Example, anything taken in excess is harmful. Anything taken in excess is harmful. For example, whatever you take, whatever you have, it should be a very limited manner. It should be a very limited manner. If you overtake the whatever it may be, but you may face some problem. You may face some problem. Mean by, what do you mean by excess? Beyond necessity. Beyond necessity. Always we should be in our limits. We should be in the limits. Anything taken in excess is harmful. Whatever it may be, it should be limited. Coming to third one, accent. Assent. Assent. What do you mean by assent? Permission. What do you mean by assent? Permission. She gave her assent for conducting seminar. She gave her assent for conducting seminar. She has a permission. She has the permission. With the help of permission, you can do anything. With your terms and conditions. What do you mean by assent? Permission. What do you mean by assent? Here the spelling different, but pronunciation is same. Pronunciation is same. Assent. Climbing up. What do you mean by ascent? Climbing up. After an ascent of 30 meters, we reach the peak of mountain. We reach the peak of mountain. Here you can understand ASSENT, ascent, permission, and ASCENT, ascent, climbing up. These are the words often we confused in English. Okay, student, coming to the next example. Weather. WEATHER, weather. Can say R is silent. Weather means wind or air or heat. Everything will available. What we call the weather. What we can observe, there are some many seasons: rain season, winter season, sunny. These are all the seasons. Weather, wind or air or heat, etc. What is the example of weather? The weather is very bad today. Sometimes if it is a very sunny day, if it is a heavy rainy day, it is a very hot day, you can understand, we can say that the weather is very bad today. The weather is very rainy today, you can understand. Weather. Next, weather means if. I asked him whether he can lend me some money. What do you mean by whether? WHETHER. If. I asked him whether he can lend me some money. If is a very most important. WEATHER, whether. WHETHER, whether. There is some change in spellings. There is some difference in change. Whether. Accept. What do you mean by accept? ACCEPT. Accept means agree. Means agree. The typist requested the general manager to accept his resignation. To accept his resignation means definitely he will agree. The typist requested the general manager to accept his resignation means to agree his resignation. Next, accept. EXCEPT. Accept. Living one or living someone. Accept means living one or living someone. Except my grandmother, all the members of my family went on a pilgrimage last month. What do you mean by accept? Agree. What do you mean by accept? Living one or living someone. Isn't it? Okay. Coming to the beside and besides. Here, very most important, beside and besides. BESIDE, beside means next to. Means next to. The fruit market is beside my house, beside my colony, beside my home. You can understand. Means what do you mean beside? Next to. Means here beside. BESASIDE. Beside means next to. Beside means next to. The fruit market is beside my colony. The fruit market is beside my house. The fruit market is beside my colony or house, whatever it means. What do you mean beside? Next to. Beside, what do you mean beside? Next to. Coming to besides. Coming to beside. Here you can observe S. In addition to. What do you mean by besides? In addition to. I can speak English besides Telugu. I can speak English besides Telugu, and also you can speak both languages, Telugu and English. I can drink tea besides coffee. I can drink tea besides coffee. I have a car besides scooter. I have a mobile besides laptop. Whatever it may be. Beside means next to. Besides means in addition to. In addition to. Next, dairy means diary. Diary and dairy. Here you can understand diary, a book of daily events. A book of daily events. You can observe the spelling, very most important. D-I-A-R-Y. D-I-A-R-Y is called diary. Means a book of daily events. For example, some of them, they have habit of writing diaries. When they go to bed, before they write down for 5 minutes whatever he done from since morning to till the evening. Go to the bed, you can write down all the events which are very most important, which sometimes they mention the time, sometimes what they have done, they run only what they kept in the mind. The most important things you can write. I hope you will understand, and also you can cultivate the habit of diary writing. It's a very most important, and also give you a good improve your writing skills. Diary, D-I-A-R-Y, a book of daily events. Writing diary is a very good habit. Writing diary is a very good habit. Next, dairy, D-A-I-R-Y. D-I-A-R-Y, dairy. D-A-I-R-Y, dairy. Sorry, dairy. A place where milk products are kept. A place where milk products are kept. We can understand. We can observe that dairy farms. We can get from milk. Other what are the milks regarding milk products? We get milk from dairy farm. We can get milk from, and there are some products available. Curd, we can get the curd, we can get the whatever it may be related to milk products. These are comes under words often confused. Words often confused. Okay students, I hope you will understand the between words and words often confused. Here I am giving the assignment for you. Stationary and stationary, principal and principal, weak and weak, peace and peace, whole and whole, practice and practice, to, raise, rise. Here I am giving the assignment for you, and we can practice at home, and we have to write down and post in a Wits Connect app. I hope you will understand. Words often confused. Thanks for joining. Thanks for watching.